So today we're going to be upcycling plain old jars into fancy little storage containers. So start by getting yourself some old jars whose contents have all been used up. And then you want to take some rickrack or some kind of decorative trim, wind it around the jar and cut off the excess to measure out the piece. And then you just want to put a little bit of glue on it. I'm using hot glue here, but you can also use tacky glue or pretty much any other kind of glue that'll stick to your jar. And then just wind your rickrack around the center of your jar till the ends hit all the way around. And then I just took a piece of purple ribbon, it's 1/4 inch ribbon, and I put some hot glue on it and wound that around the top of the jar as close to the center as I could get, and then cut off the excess. And then over that I laid some gold rickrack, so that screws right on the jar. So then I took a red sequin that I had left over from the infinity gauntlet and glued that on the top and the center. And then I took some little sticky back sequins that I had left over from the even star necklace, and I just stuck those at equal intervals all the way around the top of the lid, just like that. And so then I'm going to be using this jar to store the rest of my little infinity gauntlet sequins in, and I use them for other projects because I got the little piece on the top. I know exactly what's in them. And so these were a couple that somebody else made for me, which is where I got the idea, and I use them to store all of my little items in, keeps them from making a mess of all my craft drawers because it keeps them all nice and contained. These are a great way to use up little pieces of scrap ribbon and rickrack and other trims that you might have lying around.